Hey guys, this video covers how to upgrade the memory on a Dell Inspiron 15R. Now, this laptop here uses DDR3, it's PC3 10600 10600. That's a 1333 megahertz memory. Now I chose to go with the 8GB kit. This was $29.99 from buy.com. You can find it at a similar price point now. This is December 2011. It's gotten a lot cheaper than it used to be. So, pretty good deal. I doubt you need 8 gig, but say you only have 2 gig, might as well go to 4 gig. You know, whatever. But 8 gig, definitely, you'll never have to worry about running out of memory, having a bunch of apps open. So, pretty straightforward. This is a very easy laptop to upgrade the memory. I can't say that about the hard drive, but the memory's simple. So all you do is take your battery out and find a screwdriver. The memory's located right here. Pop that open. Boom, there's your memory. All you do to remove this is, if you look carefully here, you have your DIMMs. Now all you gotta do, just pop these little clips up and pull it out. This has 2 modules. There you go. Pretty easy. So put your new memory back in. You just slide it in there like that. And you're done. So that's all it is. That's all there is to it. Put the cover back on. It should see all 8 gigs or whatever amount you're installing. Definitely worth it on these newer laptops here. So, hope you enjoyed it. Have a good one.